What if I told you that one of the best-selling bikes in Pakistan right now doesn't have a fancy TFT display, no ride modes, no Bluetooth connectivity, and yet, people are still lining up to buy it? What if I told you this machine has been dominating Pakistani roads for decades, and the 2022 version still holds its ground like a true warrior? Stick around, because today we're talking about a bike that has been part of Pakistani culture longer than most of you have been alive. And trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to see it in a completely different light. Oh, and we have one massive surprise coming halfway through this video that most CB70 owners don't even know about. So don't you dare click away. Open book introduction, a legend born on Pakistani roads. The Honda CB70 is not just a motorcycle in Pakistan. It is a symbol. Walk into any village in Punjab, any street in Karachi, any bazaar in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and you will find a CB70. It has been the backbone of Pakistani mobility for generations. The 2022 model, assembled by Atlas Honda, continues that proud legacy, and today we're going to give it the full, honest, no-holds-barred review it truly deserves. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a seasoned rider, or just someone curious about what this iconic machine brings to the table in 2022, this video is for you. Motorcycle design and build quality, old soul, tough body. Let's start with how the 2022 Honda CB70 looks. Now, let's be real, this is not a bike you buy because of its jaw-dropping design. The CB70 carries a classic, no-nonsense look that has barely changed over the years. It features a simple round headlamp, a clean fuel tank, a flat seat with enough room for a rider and a passenger, and a straightforward tail section. Everything about its appearance says functional, reliable, and practical. But here's where it impresses, the build quality. Atlas Honda has always been known for tight assembly standards, and the 2022 CB70 is no exception. The chrome finishes, the steel frame, the durable paint job, everything feels solid. This is a bike built to survive Pakistani roads, and anyone who has ridden on those roads knows exactly how much punishment a motorcycle has to endure. Potholes, broken roads, flooded streets, overloaded rides, the CB70 takes it all without complaining. Gear engine and performance, small but mighty. Now let's talk about what makes this bike tick, the engine. The 2022 Honda CB70 is powered by a 72cc, single-cylinder, air-cooled, 4-stroke engine.